Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the console updated and signed into Xbox Live? Start there. Plug your headset into the controller or pair a supported wireless headset, then open the guide and go to Audio. Once done, set headset volume and mic monitor so you can hear yourself without blasting others. Make sure the controller battery is charged and the headset plug is fully seated. These actions prevent mute issues and get you into a party or game chat immediately. Open the guide and select Parties and Chats. Choose Create Party or Join a Friend's Party Invite. You can also enter game chat automatically when joining multiplayer. Once in, invite players or accept invites and set your privacy to allow voice with friends or everyone. Next, fine-tune the chat mixer so game audio and party voice are balanced. Doing this prevents clipping or drowned voices. If using Connect, set voice location and sensitivity so the system picks up your microphone clearly. Finish by confirming your mic is selected under Devices and Streaming and run a mic test so you hear how you sound. Then confirm party roles and mute statuses. Unmuted participants can speak immediately. If you still can't be heard, check the controller mute button and headset physical cord. Also make sure your NAT isn't strict and privacy allows voice chat. If problems persist, restart the console and test again. Often a reboot restores network and device permissions and fixes lingering voice issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.